So, a lot of you have probably seen Back to the Future, and in watching that you might remember seeing the part of the show, or movie, where these thugs are chasing Marty, the main character. So he grabs a kid's skateboard, well technically it's a scooter, breaks off the pedal part of it, and then he takes the rest of it, uses it as a skateboard to get away from the bad guys. The bad guys ram him, pushing him along, creating velocity, acceleration, and all that jazz, which Joel, my associate, will tell you later about, but I'm just here to do the quick summarization, I guess, of what we're doing. So anyway, then he goes over the hood of the car, through the car with all the guys in it, because it's convertible, you can do that, down the back, onto the skateboard, leaving the rest of the bad guys to drive into a manure truck. Yes. So, Joel now will tell you all the technical stuff and termy stuff that Mrs. Barkowski just loves. Miss! I'm sorry!
Alright, so you can see that they're all appropriately named Marty, the skateboard, Biff, and you can see that he's going over and the skateboard is going under at the same time. Now, it took him 2.5 seconds to get across, and the car is 4.5 meters long, so 2.5, there's the math, and his velocity is 1.96 meters per second.
To summarize what you've just learned through that very stimulating and educational video.
Because now that we're at the end, we will summarize.
Yes, this is the end.
We had to calculate how the velocity by how far Marty had to travel over how long it took him to get there, and that's that we know what that speed is, and yeah.
So, we're just saying that it is possible to do it, but it's not recommended, especially since you're not at Marty's age yet. That's totally done by professionals, stuntmen all around, you know. Probably have mats lying all over the place.
Seriously not do that, because especially if you haven't let your parents know, because
you need someone who knows how to drive first to drive, which I don't think
is fatally hurt.
Yes, not James. You don't want James driving. No.
So this has been Back to the Physics, episode 1. Hopefully this is our last one.
No, well, unless of course we fail this course and have to do it again. Then stay tuned for number 2.
We better have a good mark then, so we don't fail and have to do this again.
So I'm your host or co-host. Can I be host? Head host? Am I
We're
the
both
anchor?
co-hosts.